Welcome to your very own Tech and More. Hope you guys are doing awesome. In this particular video, that is part two of the playlist, which is Salesforce CPQ for beginners. You could be an admin, a developer, a BA, a QA, and you might be preparing for a project which is starting on CPQ, might be for an interview. N number of these combinations and combinations. This playlist is the one-stop go for you. Now, the agenda for this video is that we did promise in the first part or the introductory video that all of this learning is going to be real time. You're going to actually make your hands dirty while learning it. So to do that, you have to make sure that you have the CPQ org configured at your end. In this video, Devdutt is going to show the different methods by which you can make your org CPQ friendly or configure CPQ at your end. So in the upcoming videos, when we uh, learn the different topics of CPQ, and when we do it actually on the SOR, you will be also able to replicate and learn better. So without wasting any more time, Devdutt, let's start.
Thank you. Today, as you know the agenda, we are going to understand how we can install CPQ, Salesforce CPQ org on our system. So there are three different ways. The first one is creating a CPQ org via AppExchange. So first, you have to get a developer org. On top of that, we have to install the CPQ managed package. So I'll tell you the steps for it. And the second type, how we can install the CPQ, Salesforce CPQ, is by leveraging the SteelBrick CPQ link. So the link is provided here. All the links would be provided in the description of this video. So you can also do it. And the last type is you can directly go to the link and create a new Salesforce CPQ org through this link and use it for 90 days. It's a 90 days trial org, which you can utilize for learning purpose. So we'll just check the first type, how we can install it through AppExchange. I'll just log into the org. So in the quick find box in the setup, you have to search for AppExchange. So this is the option, AppExchange Marketplace. It comes with a pop-up. Then just choose this option, go to AppExchange. Here we have to search for CPQ. Hit enter. Then you'll find multiple options for Salesforce CPQ. There are different type of CPQ orgs. According to the business requirement, you can choose and install that org. So for instance, for example, like we have Congo CPQ. Just click on the Congo CPQ option and click on Get It Now. So this is the first type, how you can install the Salesforce CPQ. Then the second type is through the link which I've provided, that is SteelBrick. Yeah, so this is the link. So if you open this link directly, this page will appear. Through this Salesforce CPQ, you can either select it for production org or sandbox, or you also have multiple options like Service Cloud, Salesforce CPQ for Service Cloud, then Salesforce Billing, then like multiple options. Okay, different CPQ types. Just hit production or sandbox, whatever option you want. Click on login. It takes some time. So then we can choose who is the user for install for admins only or install for all users. I would prefer install for all users. Then check the checkbox. I acknowledge. Click on install. Then here you can see there are multiple options, multiple things to install on your Salesforce CPQ. You have to check this checkbox and click on continue. So this installation starts. Basically, it takes some time. By the time I will showcase how to check whether Salesforce CPQ is installed on your org or no. So I have already a org ready where CPQ is installed. So when you click on the app launcher option, here you can see Salesforce CPQ option here itself. So when you just click on Salesforce CPQ, here the UI comes up where you can see codes, orders, products, product rules, price rules, and etc. Okay. Or otherwise, you can also check it through setup option. Just go to setup, then search for installed packages. And when you click on install packages, you will see a Salesforce CPQ installed package is already installed. Okay. In the upcoming video also, we will check how we can configure the package, Salesforce package. Okay. Through this. And the last type is creating the Salesforce org, okay, which is already provided by Salesforce for practice purpose. Uh, it is valid for 90 days. So will provide you with the link. The moment. So this is the link. So when you click on this link, this page appears. You can fill in the details like first name, last name, email address, and etc. And here you can create this org. It is valid for 90 days, and you can utilize it for your learning purpose. Yes. These are the three ways how you can create the org by yourself.
Sounds good. Cool. I think so, viewers, you were able to now configure CPQ at your end. And going forward in the upcoming videos, whatever Devdutt is going to explain around different topics and everything, you'll be able to understand and do things on your own. So, yeah, I think that's all, Devdutt. Thank you so much and see you in the upcoming videos. Thank you.